In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix Liven app not working. So if you're also having problems that your Liven app that is not working for you and you want to be able to fix it, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what I did firstly is that I closed my Liven app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So I'm just going to go into the home page of settings here, as you can see. So on home page on settings, I just scrolled down and then I clicked on general. I scrolled down in here and I clicked on storage. And then I just waited for this page to completely load all of the apps that I have on my phone. So we have to wait a couple of seconds for it to load. You can see the loading here. Now when it's done, we can scroll up like this, click on search, search for Liven here and click on the Liven app. Now click on offload app and once again here click on offload app, as you can see. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to load and then click on reinstall app. And now just wait for the app to, I'm going to click on it. Sometimes you have to click on reinstall app 2 times, by the way. And now just simply wait for the Liven app to completely update to its latest version. And when it's done, just go back and try once again and hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.